This is my Realme GT2 running VoltageOS. This operating system has essentially resulted in doubling of my battery life, and today I'll be sharing you how it is possible. This is VoltageOS 4.4 and it's based on Android 15. VoltageOS basically borrows a lot of its principles from Graphene OS. So if you don't know, Graphene OS is a privacy-focused OS. You have to install Google Play Store from the Graphene App Store. It does not come pre-installed. And the way this ROM handles Google Play Store is very different to most of the other ROMs. Google Play Services is run in a sandbox here. Usually in any normal phone or any custom ROM, the Google Play Services grants itself all the permissions that it needs, which also means that it has deep-rooted access to your device. It is constantly sharing telemetry data, it is constantly connecting to the internet, updating itself in the background, and so on. But this custom ROM strips Google Play Services of all that special access and it treats it like any other application. It means that no special permission is granted by default. This means two things. One is that it does not have the deep-rooted access into your device, which means less tracking, less telemetry data, and the benefit of that is increased battery life. That is the first thing. Second thing is that when you install this ROM, you quickly realize that you don't need a lot of applications for your daily life. If you have seen my previous videos, you would have seen my app drawer having a lot of applications than this, having a lot more than this. But I realized that you don't need all of that. And I also replaced many of the Google applications with different ones, like I've replaced Gmail with Thunderbird, which is an open source alternative. This ROM also ships with the calendar by default. It does sync to your Google Calendar. So all the basic functionality you expect from a ROM device is still intact. If you're wondering, yes, banking applications work too. I'm not sure of all banking applications, but at least PhonePe and BHIM works as of now. So yes, you have all the functionality intact, but you're subjecting yourself to less telemetry, less data sharing, and it results in more battery life. If you install DuckDuckGo's app tracking protection, you can literally see how applications track you in the background even if you don't use them. Just by having some applications installed on your phone and not using them sends a lot of telemetry data. That is the main key point of this ROM, to cut down on everything and to use only the things that you need. There are two specific cons of VoltageOS for this specific device. One is that the stock camera application does not work, no matter if you grant it all the permissions. Second thing is the animation glitch. If you try to quickly open a second application after closing one, it glitches out. And if you are curious about the numbers, the battery life I usually get from most custom ROMs is around 2.5 to 3 hours. But this ROM gave me around 4.5 to 6 hours of screen on time. 6 hours was the maximum I got.